Welcome to Soft Pro Videos.
In this video, we will discuss the Java packages and interfaces. At the end of this video, you will be able to explore the various packages in Java programming language and explain the Java interface. Packages in Java is a mechanism which includes all the classes, interfaces and subclasses. Packages also enclose the keywords and methods used in program code. Packages in Java maintains the hierarchy with the source file and a class file and used to structure and implement the file system. Java programming language saves packages with the help of file system records. For example, the .class files for whatever classes you declare to be part of my first package must be stored in a directory called my first package. The directory name should contain the package name, which is accurate, and one file can include the same package statement in the same program. In this above Java program, package name is my first package. While executing the program, the first package .java gets called and my first pack .next directory acquires the package to execute the file. To execute this program, the programmer must ensure that the resulting first package .class file is also present in the my first package directory. The execution of the first package .class file is done by command line as java my first package. Access protection is one of the most important features of Java packages. It can grant access to classes, interface and methods which are accessible to the other members of the same package. This feature gives simplicity of modification and provides an ability of internal implementation and external interface. There are basically three access specifiers or modifiers in the Java packages. Default is the condition when the access specifier is not specified. Private, default, protected and public private. Public and protected are the specifiers used to produce a variation in programming, many levels for accessing the required data. Anything denoted as public can be obtained by anyone from any place, while private provides the protection for data from being published publicly in the program. It cannot be accessible by anyone from the outside of its class. The public class is open to all other systems. If a class has default access, it can only be obtained by other code within its simple package. Whenever a class is declared as public, it should be the only public class declared in the file and the file must have the same name as the class. Import keyword introduces built-in and user-defined packages into the Java source file. Therefore, the class can refer to a class which is in another package by directly using its name. The example shows the basic import packages used in the Java program. Interface is referred as a blueprint of the class. Interface has the syntax as similar as that of class, but it is not a class. Interface also uses methods and variables, but the methods declared in an interface are by default abstract method, but the variables in an interface are public, static and final in nature by default. An interface cannot implement another interfaces like class implements the class, but interface can extend the other interface. Interface also has the set of abstract methods for classes to implement another interface. When a class implements an interface, it automatically inherits all the abstract methods declared within its code. In the program, there are two interfaces, P1 and P2. P2 extends P1, so if it implements P2, then it has to provide the implementation of all the methods of interfaces, P1 and P2. The following are the differences between abstract class and interface are given. All the methods in an interface are completely abstract and cannot get implemented by any interface. But an abstract class can have instance methods that implement a default behavior. Segments or members in Java interface are public by default. But the member in abstract class can be of type protected or private. Java interface implements keyword for the execution. A Java abstract class uses extends keyword to extend the class. Any Java class can implement more than one interfaces, but it can extend only one abstract class. Advantages of using interface. Interfaces function to terminate the complex designs and clear the dependencies between objects. Interfaces are mainly used to make available for polymorphic behavior. Disadvantages of using interface. Java interfaces are slow and more limited than other classes. The interface used multiple times in the program has the limited usage, which depends upon the program code. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Java packages includes classes, interface, keywords and methods. The class declared inside the source file is the part of the specified package. Package provides access, protection and namespace management to manage the system file and class files. Interface is referred as a blueprint of the class, that is same as class but not the class. There are three accesses specifiers or modifiers in the Java packages: private, protected and public private.
Thank you for watching this video. To join more courses, call our course advisors now or download the eStudy Zone app today.